Hi, I'm Michaela.
And I'm Leona.
And we're the Curly Cultivators. We're super excited for installation day. The process has been super streamlined, and so it was really exciting for us to think about our tough shed coming to life. Everything basically ends up in one little single packing station, so it was really neat to see our entire shed that will be a 10 by 12 standalone building just packed down into one small flat pack that they can put on a truck and deliver at our house, and it makes the installation process super easy. It's important for us to think about buying well and buying things that are going to last and that we don't have to replace after 10 years, 15 years. That warranty for us means everything. We already own a tough shed, so we know about their longevity, we know about the durability of the product, and we're really excited to buy it for life. This is our tough shed garage. We absolutely love it. It's a 2-car garage. It's been a wonderful addition to our home, and so we're excited to add another tough shed to our yard.
One of the things I was really impressed by is being able to meet some of the team members that make this amazing operation come together. Not only was it cool to meet with them and learn a bit of their stories by way of the work that they do here at Tough Shed, but it was also cool to see the attention to detail that they have is unmatched.
We're ready to move in! We're moving into our Tough Shed.
Michaela went with the transom windows. That was her top pick for making sure that we had a bit of privacy in the back fence area, but also that there was beautiful lighting coming in throughout the day. So I'm really excited about that feature in particular, and the pitched roof.
And I'm excited about the 9-pane residential door. That's going to be really beautiful, just letting in some light and really opening up the space. And so it feels really welcoming to walk in there, and it looks amazing.
Welcome to our Tough Shed, come on in.
One of my worries when we were thinking about adding another feature to our yard was that it might feel like this behemoth tough shed, in the middle of the yard, but it really just ties in beautifully. But from the inside, it feels really large. We're excited to be able to finish that out, use the space, and not feel like we're cramping each other's style and have enough space to work within, but to have something that just kind of seamlessly ties into the rest of our yard. We would say that Tough Shed is a wonderful option to design the build, and then it came to life, and the whole process was super quick on installation day. I mean, we're talking a matter of hours.
Why we chose Tough Shed and why we'd recommend it for other folks is because there are so many ways to customize your own shed. There are countless options, and there are tons of staff members that are willing to help if you have any questions as well. So the process is super easy, very efficient, and we're really happy with our Tough Shed.
We're the Curly Cultivators and we love our Tough Shed.